Hello dear students. Now we are here with the next chapter, location, India, location and physical features. Before starting this chapter, I would like to tell you that in the previous chapter, whatever you have studied, the answers of that question is in the book itself. So in answer in detail, you solve in the book, you write in the book all the answers you write in the copy, answer in detail, and in the book all the short answers and exercises you have to mark. Okay. See, India is a vast country. You have to learn what is its area. Its area is 3.28 million square kilometer. Its latitudinal and longitudinal extent. The latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minutes north, 37 degree 6 minutes north in longitude, 68 degree 7 minutes east, and 97 degree 25 minutes east. Okay. Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal halves. The northern part, as you can see, the northern part is broader than the southern part. Okay. Kashmir is the northernmost part. Kashmir is the northernmost part of the mainland of India, and Cape Comorin near Kanyakumari is its southernmost part. Cape Comorin is its southernmost part. And Indira Point is situated in Andaman and Nicobar, is taken as southernmost point of India when whole country is considered instead of mainland. North-south extent is 3,214 kilometer, 3,214 kilometer, and the length of the coastline of India is about 6,100 kilometer, and including island groups 7,514 kilometer. The land frontier is about 15,200 kilometer. Okay. See, India is surrounded by many countries, many neighboring countries are there. In the southern part, India is a large peninsula. Peninsula means a part of land which is surrounded by water body on its three sides. Okay, on its three sides. Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, and Indian Ocean in the south. Pakistan, Afghanistan situated in northwest, India, Nepal, Bhutan are present. See here, Asia, Europe are the continents. When we are talking about other countries, Bhutan present in the north, Myanmar, Bangladesh located in the east, Sri Lanka and Maldives are Sri Lanka is separated by India by a narrow stretch of water called Park Strait. Sri Lanka is separated by India by a Park Strait. Okay. Now, political division, it is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. States and union territories are administrative unit. They are divided into districts and tehsils. Now, Goa is the smallest state and Rajasthan is the largest state. Okay. Talking about physical divisions, it is divided into northern mountains, northern plains, peninsular plateau, Thar desert, coastal plain, and island groups. Okay. When talking about northern mountain, it is an arc-shaped chain of mountains stretching between Pamir North and the frontiers of Myanmar in the east. Pamir North and frontiers of Myanmar in the east. Okay. Look children, here is Pamir North, here is Pamir North, and here is the frontier of Myanmar. So it stretches, it's an arc shape which stretches from here to here. Okay. Now, the mountain chain covers a distance of 3,000 kilometer. Its width is 150 to 400 kilometer, and it is the highest chain of mountain. Many parallel ranges of Yangfold mountains are also there. The northern mountain consists of Karakoram, Himalayas. Okay, Himalaya is divided into 3 mountain ranges: Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik. Okay. Now, mountain Karakoram is the northernmost mountain ranges, and it stretches between Pamir North and the Indus River in Jammu and Kashmir. Second highest peak of world, Mount K2, which is also called as Mount Godwin Austen, lies in this range and is the highest peak in India. The height is 8,611 kilometer. Many glaciers are there, like Baltoro, Siachen Glacier are the snow-covered mountain peaks are present here. Karakoram Pass is also there. Ladakh, Zanskar, Pir Panjal are some mountain ranges. Himalaya is the highest youngfold mountain which is located in northern mountain. They lie between Indus River in the west and Brahmaputra in the east. Okay. See, various passes are there. Shipkila in Himachal Pradesh, Nathula in Sikkim, Bomdila in Arunachal Pradesh, Zojila in Himalayan mountain range. So these are passes. Okay. See, Garo Khasi, Jaintia Hills, Patkai Bum, Naga Hills, Mizo Hills. Okay. So these hills are the central part and the Lushai Hills in the west. So these hills are present here in this. Okay. Garo Khasi, Jaintia Hills. Okay. Now, it is divided into three ranges. They are Himadri. Himadri is known as Greater Himalayas. It is the highest mountain chain of the world and the height here is 6,000 kilometer. Most important peaks are found here. The world's highest peak, Mount Everest, is found here. Hodse, Makalu, Annapurna, Dhaulagiri, they are the important mountain ranges. Glaciers, there are two most important glaciers, Gangotri and Yamunotri, which give rise to Ganges and Yamuna river. Himachal is known as Lesser Himalayas, that lies towards the south of Himadri. Okay, Himadri is the topmost, then Himachal, and then Shivalik. Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas. Then Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar are some important mountain ranges. Banihal Pass is located in Pir Panjal range. There are many beautiful hill stations like Shimla, Kullu, Manali, Mussoorie, Nainital and Darjeeling. Now children, Shivalik is known as Outer Himalayas. It is the southernmost Himalaya whose height is less than 1250 meter. It consists of, there are loose deposits of rocks, mud and silt. And due to this reason only landslides are most common and earthquake prone area. These are earthquake prone area, and there are longitudinal valleys which is known as dunes are found in Shivalik. Dehradun is an example of such valley. Okay children.